Hello everyone, I am the host Carlo. Today we are very honored to lead you into a world full of mysterious fragrance, Allsunnyenergy, Abag Agarwood production facilities. Here, we will unveil the mystery of agarwood and explore its magical effects and production process. First, let's talk about the magical effects of agarwood. Agarwood, known as the diamond among plants, can not only enhance our immunity and promote digestion, but also effectively relieve stress and anxiety. In addition, agarwood also has unexpected effects on beauty and skin care, and is a precious gift given to us by nature. Now, we have come to the agarwood drying area. Look, the workers are busy working. They carefully dry each piece of agarwood to ensure that it reaches the best quality. Allsunnyenergy Abag insists on providing 100% pure and natural agarwood products. All the agarwood whitewood trees used are more than 13 years old, ensuring the purity and high quality of the raw materials. Next, let's see how Allsunnyenergy Abag Agarwood uses the power of technology to extract agarwood essential oil. We use advanced CO2 supercritical extraction technology, which is not only more efficient than traditional steam distillation, but also can extract agarwood essential oil with higher purity. We are proud to tell you that the content of Sesquitepenoids in the agarwood components we extract exceeds 68.68%, which ensures the excellent quality of our products. Entering our agarwood tree planting base. There are 500,000 white agarwood trees over 13 years old, which thrive in a suitable climate and fresh air. Every tree is a guarantee of high-quality raw materials for our products. Entering our exhibition hall, you will see a wide range of agarwood products. From agarwood drinking tablets to essential oils, from agarwood pillows to tea, to exquisite agarwood ornaments. Our product line is rich and diverse, to meet the needs of different consumers. Allsunnyenergy Abag Agarwood not only has the largest essential oil inventory and agarwood essential oil factory in China, but also works closely with the Chinese National Brain Science Institute and the Institute of Life Sciences to ensure the authority and scientificity of our products. If you are interested in Allsunnyenergy Abag Agarwood products, or want to discuss the possibility of cooperation with us, we welcome your visit and inspection at any time. Let us explore the mystery of agarwood together and enjoy the beauty it brings. Looking forward to communicating and cooperating with you. Thank you for watching.